Hey traders, welcome back to Crypto Trader. I looked at the comment section of the video I made about Decentraland MANA and I noticed that there are a lot of traders who are stuck in their buy trades for the past few days. So I decided to check the MANA graph and see if I could find any reason to remain into the buy position. I actually wanted to check what is the current situation of the market in my opinion so I could present it to the traders and my followers to make them comfortable about making their trading decisions. So let's start analyzing the graph together. We are currently in the daily graph and you can see that after making an all-time high, MANA is continuously lowering its lows, and as you can see on the graph here, and there is a gradual decrease in the highs as well. Let's go down to the H4 graph now. I would like you people to pay some attention here on the volumes. Look at the volumes here. You see huge volumes entering into the market in this area here. Well, in my opinion, it was the time when big whales started buying MANA, and look at this candle here. It was the time when they successfully managed developing FOMO into the minds of retail traders and they started eating their hard-earned money in this candle. Most of you already know that this is the bitter truth. When retailers are selling, there are always big whales that are buying. And when retailers are buying, the big whales are actually taking profit of their selling trades. The same case you can see here in this candle. This was the point when whales started buying. They also bought in this candle. They also bought in this candle. Then this was the point when retailers entered into the trade and when retailers were buying and holding their positions, you see the big whales actually were quitting their positions and we saw a huge weak rejections from the top. Anyways, coming back to the technical analysis of Decentraland MANA, the current situation is that we can see a huge rejection from the top here in this candle. After that, we did not see any candle closes within this vacant area where I believe big whales are waiting for the retailers to bring back the market into this area and they could take the profit again of their buy trades here in this zone. And the other thing, in my opinion, is that this is the candle, or you can say this is the zone between 1.72 and $2.35 where we have big whales holding their buy entries. In my opinion, they will not allow market going down this zone. This is another zone, in my opinion, which actually has been dwelled by the retail traders. And this zone is between 2.30 and 2.60. And they are always willing to buy Decentraland MANA in this zone every time it reaches here, as you can see on the H4 graph right now. So in my opinion, as long as MANA holds this zone, you can find any good buy reason here like a hammer candle or any other price action pattern you like to enter into any buy trades in daily or H4 graph, or if you like to trade in H1 graph, then you may find any double bottom there. And in my opinion, the stop loss should be somewhere below this recent swing low. I mean, somewhere below 2.31, wherever you feel comfortable. And take profit area of your trades would be the nearest swing high, which is between 2.91 and 3.09, in my opinion. So in the end, conclusively, I can say that trading in MANA is not favorable at all at the moment. But if you have buy positions already and you want me to judge the lowest point of the price, you may hold your positions. Then in my opinion, you may wait until the price breaks below $1.25 because this is the area to me, which is the last spot for the buyers. And in the end, the disclaimer. Everything in this video is just my opinion. and I could be completely wrong. Listen and watch at your own risk and never take anything I say as financial advice because I'm just a guy on YouTube and not a financial advisor. Thank you, enjoy, and happy trading.